What's going on, guys? Kevin here with Spang's World. We're getting ready to do some changes on this RS1 behind us. Andrew picked it up, and there's a couple changes he wants to do to lighten it up and stuff. Whoever he bought it used, he's done a couple things in it, like change or put the new seat in it, steering wheel from Hess Motorsports, and the Pro Armor steering wheel, I think, and a couple other things just to kind of make it his own. He brought it to us before race season here to make some more changes on it and stuff, lighten it up. But yeah, let's check it out real quick before we start tearing into it. All right, guys, quick overview shot of it and stuff. We're going to be changing the doors, the roof on here. They're made out of steel instead of aluminum, and so that should lighten those up pretty good. We're going to end up changing the rock sliders here. We'll show you this actually. I think they've been bent in and stuff from racing from last year, but we're gonna make them a little bit tighter and stuff. But we're gonna come out more to the tire like we do on all the XPs and stuff. You really, in XC racing at least, you don't want this tire to hit trees and stuff. You want it to be able to be about where this tube is, so the trees will hit the outer part of the tire and slide off. Mainly, he just has a couple personal changes to do. We're gonna add tabs for here, get rid of the clamps and stuff for those lights and the lights here. And that's pretty much it, really, for stuff. Just the doors. These are metal doors, so they're fairly heavy. Yeah, but that's about it for that. We're gonna tear into it. So let's get at it. Alright, guys, we got the cage all cleaned up back here and stuff. We got all the tabs off for the lights and the mirrors, and the doors are off. What we're going to do is cut the roof off since it's welded on. It's steel roof, it's welded on. Let's see if we can, you see in the corners here and stuff, it's welded. A couple spot welds, basically the corners. So we're also going to take out these window net brackets, put some new ones in. Then we should start putting all the new stuff in. Safety first. Alright, guys, turning into this roof, we're cutting it off on the four corners. I thought that's just where it was tacked, but it turns out that it's not just tacked in the corners. Alright, as you can see where I grinded already, we got one in the corner there, and one on the far corner over here. You can kind of see I got the ones in the middle, but then it's like that all the way down. Even in the front here, this is gonna suck. And then on this other side. Yeah, guys, if you're gonna do a roof like that with a metal roof, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just when you go to, if you're gonna weld it in and stuff, Probably don't want to put so many welds on there, or at least put them on the outside where it's easy to get to if you ever decide to change it and stuff. Nothing wrong with it this way if you weren't going to change it, but since we're changing it and stuff, since we got it used and the new owner wants it changed, it's a little bit of a pain, but we can get it. Just if you're doing it yourself, you probably don't want to do it. Alright guys, a little update on the roof real quick. This is probably why Andrew brought it to me instead of doing it himself. But getting all those welds on the inside with the grinder was kind of a pain, so what we ended up doing is just lifting the lip up all the way down. As you can see, it's all lipped up here. All the way down on both sides. Then another downfall of doing it this way, because they powder coated it. You can see where the powder coat didn't get, because it was all welded in. That's where you get this rust line all the way down and stuff. So that's another downfall to welding your roof bond. Yeah, we'll get it here in a second. But yeah, that should make it a lot easier, just a little bit more cleanup, but it should ensure that we don't hit into the tubes with the cutoff wheel. So let's get it at it. And the roof is done. That's off finally. We gotta clean up the spots, but as you can see, you just see everywhere where it was welded, or tack welded at least. Now we just gotta clean all the spots up, and then we'll start putting on the DZU tabs and stuff and make a new aluminum roof for it. We gotta do the doors still for the aluminum. That's probably the harder parts of it. Everything else is just tabs for the 3 lights, and then we'll do the rock sliders last. Using the rock sliders more of a step right now, and I know we got more tubing on the way, so it'll be a little bit. But other than that, yeah, we got the demolition part done. Alright, the demolition part's done for this episode, or this vlog, whatever you want to call it. But we'll see you on the next one. We got the King of the Hammers race actually coming up. It'll probably be, I want to edit it good, so it's like I don't want to just throw it out there and put out a stupid edit, I guess. But we got that edit coming. We'll have the fabrication part of the RS1, and then we'll jump over and do the 4-seater next. We're doing a full build. I don't know how much of this will actually show or not, just because we have a lot of things going on for myself, and we got a baby on the way, so I know that's gonna due any day, the next 10 days or so. So things will probably get jumbled up here a little bit, and that door's all up in the way. But yeah, that's all for the RS1 right now. That's the teardown of it. That's gonna do it for this one. Make sure you guys comment down below what machine you have and stuff. I know there's a couple, I think after all the King of the Hammer stuff, so far we've hit over 200 subscribers. That's pretty sweet. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I think we doubled. And just comment down below on what you guys want to see. I think we got a couple Jeep guys in there and stuff too. We have a couple of Jeeps here also. If we bounce back and forth between side-by-sides and Jeeps, or you guys want mainly UTV stuff for the side-by-sides, or just keep doing what I'm doing and make it random. But we got a lot of these builds and stuff coming in to do, or just like touch-ups and stuff to get ready for the spring riding season and summer and stuff. So we'll be pretty busy with these. I got my own I need to bring in here at some point. I have a design ready and stuff to get rid of the old race cage and stuff and turn it into more of a trail machine. It might do a couple races here and there, but make it more of a dual purpose machine, I guess. But other than that, comment down below on what you guys want to see. Like this video if you liked it. If not, then like it anyways. But yeah, subscribe if you're not already. And thanks guys for hanging out. Peace.